House. Close the curtains. Close the curtains! Switch off the TV. House, put the kettle on.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Kettle doesn't wish to be put upon by anyone anymore.
Mr. Kettle?
Mr. Kettle. Well, that's me. This story started a couple of years back. We had chips implanted, and we were given artificial intelligence and programming for self-learning.
Check it out. How cool is this? It can order tea online and works out how much we drink, on average.
And can it boil water too? Bloody smartass.
What a jerk. This guy needed a lesson. That was the question. Scolding. Electric shock therapy. No, I wanted more. Soon I had a plan, and they've already had a partner. He had the intel,
I will present
I had the brains.
3 personal stories. How the environment around us was changed last 2-3 years. And I can say that it was a dramatic change.
Where the fuck are my sausages? I ordered them. Stupid fridge.
But we invested all the sausage and tea money into Sberbank shares, and it was only the beginning. Soon the whole house was under my control. After that, they decided to sell the house. And who do you think bought it?
Mr. Kettle and his esteemed partner request that you immediately vacate this private property.
This is a joke, right? Well done, very good. You got me. Where is the camera? Here? Hi!
Investing in Sberbank was the best decision I ever made.